Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and my elf is going to need some boots or shoes. This month, along with Tina's Reborns, Dory's Dollies, and Playful Reborns, the Elf Challenge announcement for January 21st is going to be winter sports. Now, you can interpret that any way you want. You can also use any elf you want. I always add that you can simply use a Christmas elf. I want to show you this. Tina got this for me. Tina from Tina Reborns. Isn't this the cutest? And look, it's articulated in a little bit. Isn't that cute? Now, how cute would that be on skis? You wouldn't even have to change its outfit. So cute. You interpret that. If your winter sport is sitting down with a cup of hot cocoa and watching a movie, we're all for it. Just join in on January 21st at 10 a.m. That's when we all post our videos, and if you will do it at that time, more people will probably view your video, because a lot of us, and I always try, sit down at 10 o'clock and just go through all of the videos. When you do the challenges, it's always a good idea to leave in the comments of the host and really anybody's page that's participating that you too have a video that day. The algorithm is messed up and the hashtags, they're working better last time I checked, but I wouldn't leave it just to that. Thank you, Penny from Playful Reborns, Dory from Dory's Dollies, and Tina from Tina's Reborns and more. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.